doing? You're getting mommy all wet.
What happened?
Did it get in your eyes?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
Are you done?
No.
No?
You want to take a drink, Sarah? Can you take a drink?
Yeah.
Let's see.
I might get water.
Yeah, you got everything wet.
You're such a good helper.
Stuck toes at my hand. Said, no, me help, me help.
Sarah.